returning both Sunday and
They
Monday
issued a
night
watch.
across parts of northern Oklahoma. Flooding, localized flooding
Oh
will
my
be possible
gosh.
on Thursday primarily across central and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman.
Here we go.
Our weather
Here we go.
office on Twitter and Facebook.
Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 247, effective until
We're into 2 ocean marks now with that.
Thursday. This
Thursday?
watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Kingfisher, Logan, and Payne.
That's a long watch.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
I didn't even get my April 27th video out. I still need to get that out there.
Change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Still taking a bit.
Stay tuned to know a weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets
And May
or
6th.
internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast Office.
Alright. Well, there's that. We gotta watch.
I recorded it.
Yeah, I did. This watch is literally the second day. Like tomorrow's my last day of school, and they're doing this today. Like, I'm just gonna rotate this.
Like
I'll
last
fix
day,
that
what do you
editing.
mean by last day?
Yep, they issued a watch. I suspected it was gonna be in my coverage area.
Yeah, but what do you mean by last day?
They said it was gonna last until Thursday. At 1
I
a.m.
meant, what do you mean by last day of school? Like,
Tomorrow is my very last day of school before summer break starts.
you get it a whole month before me?
You're telling me yours ends in June?
Yeah, June 27th.
Bro, Civ. That's
I'm so jealous.
that's 2 days after my birthday.
Oh my god. And I have exams soon. God damn it.
Wow. We got watch. It's gonna end tomorrow. Our last day of school. Can you please focus? That's gonna be a new issue with this camera. Not gonna be the fact that it's lagging, but it's gonna be, oh, everything's blurry. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, everything's blurry. Idiot.
But yeah, we gotta watch. I still didn't get my April 27th or May 6th video out, so that's gonna be a bit.
Southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central
This scared the
Oklahoma,
crap out of me.
12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh yeah, until 12:30 a.m.
Central Daylight Time.
Wow.
A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles
I'm not gonna
west
bother
of
with the
Piedmont,
FM stations right now.
at
I'm not.
45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel
I'm literally trying to sleep for the last
This is a
day.
radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Jeez.
Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, western Edmond, El Reno, Yukon, The Village, Piedmont, Okarche, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Richland, Nadina, and Sword. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 129 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a
Turning
severe
off the
thunderstorm.
switches. Turning on the switches for these. Because I'm trying to get to bed for the last day of school. It's like, yeah, 11:59. It's literally like midnight. Come on!